What is up, everybody? How's it going? We're going to do a quick introduction to the channel video. I'm just going to show you guys these, give you guys my opinion and my first thoughts of looking at them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Like I said in the intro, this is just going to be an introduction to the channel. This is a set of Auxito lighting LED H4 headlight bulbs for 1996 to 2002 4Runners, as well as many other vehicles that take the H4 style bulb. My impressions and my thoughts, just quickly looking at it. I have not installed them on a vehicle yet. I will be doing a video on that as well. I need to find my barely used like 4 or 5 hour set of Morimoto LED lights that I have, because I would like to do a comparison between those and these, as well as a comparison with Morimoto versus halogen and these versus halogen on the 2000 limited 4x4 that I call Rose. I also have my 2000 SR5 that does have HID conversion on it. It's got HIDs for the headlights, as well as the low and high beams, as well as the fog lights, which I just haven't switched to Rose yet. So this is a perfect opportunity to do a video on these lights, to use Rose before I switch the HIDs over. But I haven't chose whether I'm going to switch them over to Rose, the 2000, or switch them over to the 1997 limited 4x4 that I call Beast with the lift kit and big 40s. But all in all, my first impressions are these are really nice bulbs. They're very well made. They feel very nice. The branding looks really nice on the bulb. It's not like stand out and it's, oh my god, it's too much. It's there, but it's not like, it's not like it's in black writing or anything. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. But they're very nice looking bulbs. It's got 3 LEDs up and lower. It does have a little deflector right here that separates them, so low and high beam. And it's got them on both sides, so there's 12 in total LEDs. 6 and 6. Looks pretty well made. Looks really nice. These are H4 design with the tabs. The way these insert is you insert them, and then there's a metal clip that you put over this that holds them in. But they look really nice. They feel really nice. I do not know at the moment what the brightness is. They are, the box does state DC 9 to 30 volt, IP65 rated. Light source is a ZES chip. Color temp is 6500 Kelvin. I don't know if it's 6500 Kelvin, because 6500 Kelvin should be pretty close to a bluish white. And that could be an issue down the road. I did have I do have a set still. I just took them out of the SR5 because I didn't like them, and I was doing a HID conversion on it. But I do have a set of LED Morimotos. I have to find them. They're somewhere around here. But those were LEDs. I didn't like them because they were really blue. So they were in the 6500 Kelvin range from what they said on the box. But the problem with all these different manufacturers is that when they say 6500 Kelvin, it's their interpretation of 6500 Kelvin. 6500 Kelvin on the actual Kelvin scale is actually more blue than white. It's getting closer to the ultraviolet purple range. And blue light on a wet road is not really easy to see at all. It's actually not very easy to see bluish white light, especially more blue than white, even on a dry road. It's easy to see on dirt because dirt's yellow or tan or cream, but it's not really easy to see on black asphalt. So if I can find my set that I put back in their boxes, or in their box, back in their box, because I intended on selling them and they never sold. Nobody seemed interested in them, so I think I ended up losing them somewhere in the house. I probably put them in a closet or something and just forgot about it. But I do want to do a comparison video between these Auxito bulbs. These are LED M3, light M3. I want to do a video between these guys and the, put one of these bulbs in, one of the housings, and then compare these Auxito bulbs to a regular halogen, even do like lux reading between the halogen and these LEDs from Auxito, as well as I wouldn't mind also doing a comparison between these and the Morimotos that I have as soon as I find them. One bulb in each headlight, tell you guys which one headlight is which, and tell you, give you guys maybe the lux readings between those two, because the Morimoto LEDs I have are about 4 years old, 3 or 4 years old now. I've only used them for about 2 or 3 hours, and I didn't like it. But they're good bulbs. I'm not saying they're bad bulbs. I didn't necessarily particularly like them. They were pretty loud. They hummed. But do maybe like a lux reading comparison between these and the Morimotos, and then maybe do in that video as well, do a comparison between the Morimotos and a halogen bulb. So, and give you guys just all that information. Those are what I have available. I can also do an HID reading as well, but I can't put these in those headlights because I changed, when I made the HID conversion, I used D2S HID housings, projector housings, so these will not fit. These will only fit in Beast, the 1997 limited 4x4, as well as the Rose, the 2000 limited 4x4 that I have. If I take the HID housings off, I do have extra housings, extra headlight housings that I could always put on Sky if I remove the HID complete housings, because I actually took the entire lenses, made a conversion, and put these in there. But we have 2 other 4Runners we can mess with for the lights, so don't necessarily need to mess with Sky's HID lights or uninstall anything to test these out. We can always just test them out on the 2000 limited. If all of these things sounds interesting to you guys, please let me know if you guys are interested in it. I did get these for free. I was told that if they like the videos that I do on these, they'll possibly send me some more videos or more lights, LED lights, to do videos on. I was actually looking at their LED white bulbs, because the reverse, in the rear housings, the reverse, turn signal, and brake lights are all the exact same bulb, as well as the turn signals in the very front of the truck. Those are also the same exact bulb, a 74403 or 7443, I believe. Yeah, 7443 is the bulb type, and 7440. So maybe I'll be getting 8 of the exact same bulb they do sell the red dedicated brake bulb in the 7443, the orange or amber dedicated turn signal bulb in the 7443, as well as the white, you know, the reverse light bulb in the 7443. I don't normally use the red LEDs and amber LEDs in tinted housings. If the housing is already orange, you can put a white bulb in there, and it will actually be brighter than using an amber light bulb. Because if the housing's amber or it's orange and you use an amber bulb, it's not going to be as bright as if you were using the white bulb. Same with the brake lights. If your brake lights are housings are red, using a white bulb will actually, no matter if it's LED or if it's halogen, doesn't matter, you will get more brightness out of a white LED than you will a red LED. And red LEDs take actually more power to run, but you will always get more brightness using a white LED in a red housing and a white LED in an amber housing than using an amber LED in an amber housing and a red LED in a red housing. But my take on these are pretty nice. I cannot speak to longevity. I don't know how long they will last. I'm not even sure if I'm going to like the output, because it depends. The light beam is also going to depend on how these play along with the regular original style headlights, which are reflectors. So, you know, there is a downside to LEDs and reflective housings. Some reflective housings push off this very odd pattern of light when you're using LEDs compared to the light they put out when you're using a halogen, because those housings were originally manufactured for halogens, and it's just the way the LED light cuts through the reflective film that makes the pattern kind of odd. So we'll see how they will look and the light pattern and everything when we install them on the vehicle. This is going to be one of those videos we're going to have to do it at kind of night. But my first impressions are they are really nice. This is not a review, it's just my opinion of what I think are nice about them and everything else. They look very well made for what they are. I do appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Again, these were sent to me to do a video on. I said, sure, why not? I do need some more bulbs anyways. If they like it, you know, who knows? Maybe we'll have more content for you guys, and I'll get some more bulbs, and we can do like a comparison between the Auxito LED bulbs versus the LED Sylvania Zevo bulbs that I have in Rose, because Rose is completely outfitted with bulbs, but it would be a good video to compare the Zevo bulbs that I've been using for the last 9+ years. That I have not had to replace in Sky. They're still running even though she got wrecked. And I just went back to AutoZone and picked up a slew of more Sylvania Zevo bulbs because I've never had the LEDs die on me in 9 years of using them on Sky, and they're still running. So maybe we'll do a video on that if they send me more LEDs to do videos on. I could always put a leaf Zevo bulb in one of the, you know, brake lights, and then put the Auxito bulb in the, you know, the other brake light housing in the rear, and, you know, have my wife step on the brakes and, you know, do a lux reading and take the difference and see which one's brighter. You know, who knows? There's always lots of possibilities. I do appreciate you guys watching, though. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!